Hello everyone. Today we will analyze the SMC Venom strategy for binary options. It is based on the popular smart money trading approach. This method involves tracking the actions of major players, commercial banks, hedge funds, central banks, and market makers. In this review, we will discuss how to apply this insider information to binary options trading. Let's install the SMC Venom strategy in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The strategy indicators and template with all settings are installed in the standard way. The download link for this trading system archive, as well as installation instructions, can be found in the description below this video. Now let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this strategy. The idea behind the SMC Venom strategy is that so-called smart money possesses vast capital and information hidden from private investors, allowing them to manipulate the market and shape trends. Therefore, instead of trading based on emotion and using publicly available indicators, traders should simply follow the big players. To do this, it's important to understand their logic and algorithm, which often manifest themselves on the price chart as recurring patterns indicating changes in market structure. One such pattern is fair value gaps, a price gap that occurs when prices move rapidly and there's insufficient volume for balanced trading. On the screen, you see the moment when prices on the second and third switches fell so rapidly that they failed to cover the low of the first. This resulted in a price gap, marked in gray on the chart. This gap is called a fair value gap, or FVG for short. It's believed that the price will eventually return to close this area, as it contains unfilled orders from major players. Looking at the chart to the right, you can see that this is precisely what happened. The price tested the marked range and then moved in the direction of the growing trend. Such price gaps can be combined into more complex reversal candlestick patterns consisting of two opposing FVG patterns called BPRs. It is precisely when such patterns appear that the SMC Venom strategy signals are generated. The system offers numerous settings, but the key one is selecting the operating mode. The remaining parameters are intuitive and easy to customize to suit the selected asset and your trading style. If you want to learn more about candlestick patterns and how to correctly apply them in binary options trading, we recommend the article Candlestick Analysis and Binary Options. It contains useful materials that will help you better understand the techniques and hone your skills. Let's look at the trading rules for this strategy. Trading using the SMC Venom system is quite simple. A trader simply needs to wait for the strategy signal and open a trade in the desired direction. If desired, one of the trend indicators described in the article, the best trend indicators for binary options, can be added to this system. So to open a call option, you need to 1. Wait for a blue arrow to appear below the candlestick. 2. Buy a call option on the open of the second candlestick after the arrow. To open a put option, you need to 1. Wait for an orange arrow to appear above the candlestick. 2. At the opening of the second candle after the arrow, we buy a put option. We recommend setting the expiration time to 1 or 3 candles. However, the optimal position holding period will depend on the specific asset and should be determined by you based on the results of backtesting. This approach will help adapt the strategy to the specifics of the chosen instrument and improve its effectiveness. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this strategy. The smart money concept differs significantly from traditional technical analysis, which largely relies on indicators, candlestick patterns, and support and resistance levels. Technical analysis is based on the premise that market movements are subject to trends and certain pre-established rules. At the same time, SMC proponents believe that all these patterns and price levels are nothing more than bait for retail investors. Therefore, SMC traders seek to open trades against the crowd, using its pattern behavior and habits for their own interests. The advantages of the SMC Venom strategy include accurate entries, a deep understanding of market processes, and reduced dependence on multiple indicators. This method teaches how to work with a clean chart based on price action principles. The downside of the system is the complexity of the smart money trading concept, especially for beginners. However, thanks to the trading signals of the SMC Venom strategy, novice traders will find it easier to master. Overall, the smart money concept is not just a set of binary options trading rules, but an entire trading philosophy. It allows retail investors to see the market through the eyes of major players, and the SMC Venom strategy helps avoid the pitfalls that most traders fall into. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that requires skillful use. Be sure to test and verify the indicator's performance on a demo account using historical data, while keeping risk and capital management principles in mind. Also, choose only trusted brokers, which you can find in our regularly updated rating on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and stay up to date with the latest news from binary options, cryptocurrency, and forex trading. Thank you for your attention. We wish you good profits and safe trading. And to ensure you're confident in the reliability of this strategy, we'll demonstrate its performance in real time and confirm that the signals don't repaint.